Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 1500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint included, headlamp filler panels and door handles are black when ordering special low-volume paints, heated seats and wheel group included, heated steering wheel air conditioning ATC with dual-zone control humidity sensor heated front seats, quick order package 26S Bighorn included, engine 5.7L V8 HEM AMDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, rear view auto dim mirror Google Android Auto Sirius XM satellite radio no satellite coverage in Hawaii or Alaska USB host flip HD radio media hub, 2 USB 8.4 inches touchscreen display 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Trial Apple CarPlay leather wrap steering wheel rear dome with on-off switch lamp LED bed lighting glove box lamp bright billets grill auto dim exterior mirrors